Hello, and welcome to the Driftless Days channel, a channel dedicated to showcasing many of the fantastic outdoor opportunities in and around the Driftless area of the upper Midwestern United States. In this episode, this is part 2 of a multi-day duck hunt on the upper Mississippi River right around Halloween 2024 when a wet, dreary, gray sky cold front descended on the area, bringing with it many new duck migrants, especially mallards. These Halloween hunts were mostly just the dog and myself, and together we had some terrific shooting at several flocks of new, less wary birds. If you missed part 1 of this hunt, feel free to check it out by clicking on the associated link that you can find elsewhere in this video. Thanks for watching. Back. Come on, Tyler, hurry. Come on, there's more birds coming. Come on. Good girl. Sit. Good girl. Atta girl, Tala, good girl. Good girl. There's Susie. What the hell? Come. Good girl, Tala. Come on, good girl. Yeah, that girl. Good girl here. Come on, bring it here. Come on. Fetch it up. Sit. this is a couple of days later. The front was still in our area, so it was still cold, wet, and dreary. And I was able to get out again and able to set up kind of in the same general area that I'd hunted before. But now the birds have been hunted for a couple of days, and they were a little more hesitant to come into the decoys. During conditions like this, I try to let my decoys do most of the work, and I generally limit my calling. That's a fucking Susie. Fetch. That a girl. Good girl. Come on, pup. Good girl. Pretty girl. Good girl. Good girl. Ooh, don't let him go. Don't let him go. Hold, hold. Get him in here. Hurry up, Tala. Come on. Come on. Come on, Tala. Hurry up. Good girl. Come on. Come on. Kennel up. Come on. Come on. Tala, come. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Come. 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 Tala, come. 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 Give me here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. I eventually got that pair of teal. First the drake here, and then a little bit later the hen snuck in. Never even saw her. She landed in the decoys, and I was able to jump her up and get her. And this bird, I easily could have gotten, but I realized plenty of time that this was a hen mallard, and so I was able to kind of just let her pass. So I ended this day with 5 birds, basically one short of a limit, but that didn't really matter that much to me. Instead, it was just a great multi-day duck hunt during some classic autumn duck hunting weather. Steel gray skies, cold, wet, rainy conditions. It was absolutely perfect. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please give it a like. And thanks again for watching Driftless Days.